So, I know that somebody knew about Soultanicals and just didn't tell me. Who was it? I'm gonna wait. Who? Come forward. Come on. Come on. Because who didn't tell me about these? Who was it? Who? Let's start from the beginning. So first I used the knot sauce right after I shampooed, because I thought that I got a shampoo with this line, but I ended up not. I ended up getting 2 deep conditioners on accident. So I shampooed with something else, and then I used this knot sauce. Bomb. I just bomb. This knot sauce, I feel like I'm gonna be stuttering a whole lot in this video, because when I get excited about stuff, I tend to stutter a little bit. So this says a Coil Detangler, and that's exactly what it did. My hair is very kinky, coily. Is that an animal? But my hair was no match for this at all. Like this, as soon as I put it on my hair, I was like, okay, like this feels nice. And I went to like kind of finger detangle, and I was like, excuse me? So then I was like, let me just go in with the brush, because I know it's probably not gonna do that with the brush. It took 5 minutes to detangle all of my hair, if that. I know it was 5 minutes because I was watching something and I remember what time it started, and I was almost at 5 minutes when I finished. So that's how I know it was only 5 minutes. This stuff, amazing. I loved this. I started with the Fro to Spare Vitamin Hair Repair Deep Conditioner. I was sitting there for about, I would say 15 to 20 minutes after putting this in my hair, just feeling it. Just going through my hair, just feeling how my hair felt. Because the deep conditioner, I have never had a deep conditioner give me the feeling that this product did. Right off the bat. The one thing I will say is it smells like green. Like what you imagine green smells like. Plants, all kind of plants, herbs. That's what this smells like. However, I don't know what in it makes your hair so soft. It's not even soft. It makes your hair just feel silky. Oh, it made my hair feel so good. I can go ahead and say that this is hands down. I'm trying to think before I say it. I'm pretty sure. I feel confident in saying, no, I feel confident in saying that this is probably the best deep conditioner I have ever experienced. Something about, and I don't even know what it was, like it just made my hair feel amazing. And even after I rinsed it out, it was just like the bounce, but like the springiness of my hair. It was almost like it's a deep conditioner that has the power to soften, but also puts back in your elasticity in your hair. It also is kind of like a protein treatment where it makes your hair stronger. And I don't even know if it has protein in it, but it just did everything in one. Like I have a separate softening deep conditioner, a favorite. I have a separate protein treatment. I have like maybe 2, yeah, I think 2 deep conditioners when I'm trying to get my curls to pop back. I have separate ones for that, but all in one. Like I'm not a fan of the green smell. I don't really like that. And I did have to use quite a bit. That was after just 1 use. So that makes me feel a little sad that I did use that much. However, when people are buying the liters of these, when they have really good sales, I understand why. Because if this comes in a bigger size, if this comes in a liter, I'm getting it. getting it. I don't even know what to say. I don't want to ramble about it. I don't want to rant, but it was really good. It's that good. It makes you just want to keep talking about it. So next, I used the Marula Muru Moisture Guru. I love that little name. With this, I will say the thing that I really enjoyed about it right off the bat, which I did not expect from either one of these, actually. This one I'm going to talk about next, and this one, the smells. I did not think, like reading this Marula Muru Moisture Guru, I thought that it was going to probably smell like marula oil, which to me doesn't really have a smell. So I was thinking like, it's probably not gonna have a smell, or it's gonna smell like a very light smell. This smells like brownies. It smells like brownie mix. And I love it. I want it to be like, just a little bit, just a little bit, because it smells so good. It just smells like, oh, it smells like brownie mix to me. It smells like a mix between brownies and hot cocoa. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh. I just keep smelling it. But let me put the cap on because I will keep smelling it. But what I took it off for was to show you. I didn't have to use a lot. I really only used it from a little bit from one side. So this side is still full. And this side just has, I was taking it from down here. So I didn't have to use a lot, which I was thankful for. It was very moisturizing. This in itself also has a little bit of slip too, and it feels really nice in your hair. I put this on my hair dry, and it instantly made my hair feel moisturized, like instantly. So that's what really made me want to use it to try it in an actual style, because I was like, let me just pop it in my hair real quick just to see. And it was real quick. It was actually right before I used it, right before I washed my hair. And I was blown away because I didn't smell it that time either. And I don't know how I didn't smell it, but it made my hair feel really moisturized. So I was like, I know I'm gonna like this, even if it's just for a moisturizer. But I was shocked at how quickly my hair felt moisturized and how it just instantly turned around. Like the shine was there, the feeling of my hair changed. It just felt like I had given my hair like a shot of moisture, and it was just like bloop, bloop. Everything that I've had in this entire video was like a first experience for me and my hair, which is crazy to say because I've been through a whole lot of products, and this, I mean, it was just something a little different with these products. Like these are some real good products. And the last one that I used was the Loc-N-Roll Twist and Throw Out Penetrating Hair Butter. Now, I thought because I saw the word butter, like even with this one, like this is what I expected it to look like when I heard butter. Like really creamy, whipped, like that's what I expected to see. But what I got, it's not butter at all. It's not creamy. It is very, I mean, so I guess I've just been used to people using butter and creams interchangeably, and even some companies do that as well. Like it's a creamy, like a whipped butter, whatever. And this would be the consistency of like shea butter, like stuff like that. But it gives me the feeling of like when oil hardens and then you have to like rub it in your hands to get it to loosen up. Like that's what this is. So you have to like literally scrape it to get it up, and then you can use it in between your fingers to warm it up, or in your hands to warm it up, and then you can put it in your hair. And also what I do enjoy about this is it says you can use it from fro to toe, which means like this little bit that I used, you can go ahead and put it on your body and it's gonna be good too. And this smells like, I don't even know what it smells like. It's so sweet. It smells like, I want to say it smells like a fruit roll-up. It smells so good. So when I put this on my hair, I was like, okay, so because this is more of like a butter oil, I'm probably not gonna get definition from this. So I was like, well, let me just do a braid out so that at least I can have like whatever definition I would get from just moisturizing my hair. And if it's a fluffy braid out, I'm fine with that. What I did not expect was this definition that I did actually receive. Now, when I looked this up, it said it was a styler. Once again, I'm thinking this is going to be an actual cream. So when I opened it and saw it, that's where my expectations switched, until I started unraveling my hair, until I started separating my hair, until I fluffed out my hair and saw this definition. Then my thoughts changed. I said, okay, so you are indeed a styler. You really are. To say that I loved these products is an understatement. And that's why I'm so upset that nobody told me about Soultanicals. I have not one friend that was like,
oh girl, Soultanicals is the best. You need to try it, girl. It's gonna get your hair right.
Nothing. Not one person told me that. Not one. So I'm here to spread the news, to let y'all know from a true 4C girl that this stuff is the truth. And I've heard there, I can't believe it's not butter, or I can't butter it, or I can't, something about I can't and butter. I heard that one is really good too. I wish that I would have heard about that before I bought these on Black Friday. However, these products, and I don't say this too often, but these products to me are good enough to buy even when it's not Black Friday. Like, whatever the regular price is, if I can get a sale, thank you Jesus. But if there is no sale and I need these, I would still get them. I'm always looking for a sale. I'm always looking for a coupon, or I'm waiting at Sally's, like, nope, Sally's is about to get me. Target may have a good deal. We need to shop on retail, me not. Let's see what they have. Like, I'm always trying to look for something. I would buy these without coupons. I would just buy them like, you know what? Sometimes you have to do what you have to do. All in all, what I would recommend, them all. I cannot say that I would recommend one over the other. If you are in need of a true all-around wonderful, amazing, spectacular deep conditioner, then go for the deep conditioner. Go for it, because you need it. Even if you have deep conditioners that you love, get it. Get it. Like this, I can't, like I said, I cannot pick one over the other. If you already have stylers and you don't need something that's a styler, then maybe you can pass on the Loc-N-Roll. But these two, I feel like you cannot pass on, especially if your hair is 4C. You need these both. Like this, I feel like my hair won't be the same because I'm going to be using this. And I have another deep conditioner, the Curl Detox, and I'm scared to use that because I'm like, what if I get stuck on that and then I can't choose between these two? Like, what's gonna happen? And then this, just moisturizing. And it can be like just a daily moisturizer, to where if your hair is doing fine and you just need like a little, because when I put this in my hair before and I put just a little bit on it, it didn't wet my hair. So my hair stayed in what state it was, but just added moisture to it. So it kind of, you know, perked up, it fluffed out a little bit because it had moisture to it, but it didn't like revert. So if I had to pick to tell you what to get, I would just tell you all of them. And I'm not playing. These products did not come to play games. Like, I wish that you could feel my hair. Like, my hair feels so soft. It doesn't have any feeling of a hold at all. It just feels soft. Like, I don't even know how my hair is defined because it has no feeling of any type of hold. Not whatsoever. It just feels like softness. It just feels like soft, moisturized hair. But that's all. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.